Hello guys, welcome to F1 2021. We are at Silverstone right now, driving my car that I made, apparently. So this is basically the My Team career mode in F1 2021. This will be a 5 lap race. So yeah, let's go. Hold clutch. Okay. That's a pretty good start. Come on, Mercedes. Come on. Using a Honda engine, by the way, in this F1 car. Honda engine is the best. Oh, man. Jeff, tell me the full race update.
You are in first position, front of the pack. Sorry, we can't provide you with that information right now. Bottas behind, pit strategy complete. See these tyres through to the end now. 5 laps till the end.
Okay. Thank you, Jeff. Let's go again. 32nd lap. Oh, that was fast. I'm not really good with this circuit. For me, I think it's way too long. Okay, pit straight. You like my car? Oh god. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Now we know that while we're driving, you should not look at your car. Or else you're gonna crash. Now's our time to look at the car. Looks like someone accidentally poured a lot of paint on it. And they forgot to they forgot to clean it off. Silverstone is one of the most classic F1 racetracks.
Good job. That was the fastest lap of the race so far.
Oh, really? A fastest lap? Okay, well... Okay. What's my tire usage? Okay.
You're leading leading the pack.
now see if it's
Bottas is
different.
behind you. Our gap behind is 8.4 seconds. They're on fresh soft.
8.4.
Look after these tyres now. We want to finish the race on this compound. Just 3 laps to go now. 3 laps.
3 laps, okay. What's the gap between the car
Bottas behind. The gap to the car behind is 10.9 seconds. They're on fresh softs. The time last lap was a 1:36.6.
36.6. That's their best lap. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Should not do that. Why am I not turning so sharply anymore? I like this view better. One more lap until we get victory. One more lap. Okay.
This is your final lap of the race.
Thank you, Jeff. I already know that. Most tricky part right here coming up. Oh, great. Let's go. Yeah.
Okay. Somebody want to tell me how to stop this thing?
First place.
Superb driving. That's the race win.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you. Yay, driver of the day. Yay.
And with that, we wrap up yet another incredible Grand Prix weekend. Anthony Davidson, what helped them deliver this result, do you think?
Well, they certainly stood out as a driver with tons of confidence on the track. I think their ability to keep their cool, even during some of the more hectic parts of the race, meant they were able to capitalise on the mistakes of other drivers, giving them the opportunity to make their way to the top spot with ease.
A show-stopping performance from the three drivers approaching the podium right now. It's been an interesting Grand Prix, that's for sure.
Is it champagne time? Yes, it is.